Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send personalized confirmation emails on Google Form submission for job application. So here I'm working in the HR department of my company, and my company is actively hiring new talents, and for that we have created a Google Form for the job applications. So here, as new candidate fills that form, we are going to receive a new form submission, and as we are going to receive that form submission, then automatically we want to send a personalized confirmation email to our candidate by using Gmail. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Google Forms and Gmail. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, as I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically I'm going to send a personalized customized email to my candidate by using Gmail. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today I'm going to show you how to send personalized confirmation emails automatically on Google Form submission for job application. So suppose here I work in a HR department in my company, and my company is actively seeking new talent. So here we want to hire new candidates, and now whenever new candidates submit their job application via Google Forms, then I want to ensure that they receive a prompt acknowledgement of their submission, and this is crucial for several reasons. First, it will build that professionalism and trust, and by sending confirmation email immediately after submission assures applicant that their information has been received, enhancing your company's professional image and building trust. Also, it will improve communication, and our candidates will feel valued and informed when they receive a confirmation email. It will also increase our efficiency, and it will give better candidate experience. Timely confirmation emails improve the overall candidate experience, making my company more attractive to top talent, and it will also show that you respect their efforts and are serious about their application. So here, let's dive into how this automation can streamline your hiring process and enhance your company's professional image. So here, for setting up this automation, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a connection between Google Form and Gmail, and here by using Gmail I'm going to send a personalized and customized email. So here I've created this job application form for my company which is green glow, and here I have all these details. So here my candidate can fill all these details, and as my candidate is going to fill this detail, then automatically he's going to receive an email via Gmail. So how I'm going to set up this automation? For that, I need to use Pabbly Connect, and with the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection between Google Form and Gmail, and that too without any coding and programming skills. So I'm going to use Pabbly Connect here, and for using Pabbly Connect, I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here what we need to do is we need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send personalized confirmation emails on Google Form submission for job application. Now here what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have created in my Pabbly Connect account. And here I have this particular folder of Gmail, so I'm going to select this, and here I'm going to click on create, and this will take us to this window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on, and trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here we can only set up one trigger and multiple action steps. So here my trigger application is going to be Google Form. So I'm going to search for that. So I'm going to select Google Forms here, and here in my Google Form, I have created my job application form. So whenever a new candidate is going to fill that form, then automatically I'm going to receive that response here in Pabbly Connect. So for that, I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, a new response received will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now what I need to do is I need to connect Google Forms with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. And for that, I need to use this webhook URL, and this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between Google Form responses and Pabbly Connect. So for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now what I need to do is I need to take you to my Google Form, and all the form submission of this particular job application form is going to add in a particular Google Sheet that is already created, and this is that particular Google Sheet, that is job application form responses. So all the responses of my job application form is going to automatically add in this particular spreadsheet. So here what I need to do is I need to connect this particular spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect so that I can automatically send all the form responses detail to Pabbly Connect. So here for connecting the spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect, I need to go to extensions, and here I need this particular extension of Pabbly Connect webhooks. But if we don't have this particular extension, then what we need to do is we need to go to add-ons, and we need to click on get add-ons, and it will direct us to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Here we need to search for our extension, that is Pabbly Connect webhook, and we need to open that. And here this is our extension. So what we need to do is we need to first install this extension, and I have already installed this, so I'm going to close this. And after installing this extension, we need to first refresh our spreadsheet. And after refreshing our spreadsheet, we need to go back to extensions. We need to go to our extension of Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here we are going to use initial setup. So I'm going to open this. And here in initial setup, we need to connect our sheet, that is form responses 1, with Pabbly Connect. So here for that, I need to first give my webhook URL, and here I'm going to give the webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now what I need to do is I need to give my trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here in my spreadsheet, I have this last data entry column, that is column H, and as the data will be filled in that particular column, then automatically the data of that whole row will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here I need to give my trigger column, and that will be column H. Now what I need to do is I need to click on submit, and here my setup is configured successfully. So I'm going to close this, and here what I want is that as new responses of my Google form is going to add in new rows, then automatically the data of those rows should be sent to Pabbly Connect. So for that, I need to go back to extensions, and I will go back to my extension of Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here I have this option of send on event. So I need to enable this option, and after enabling this option, what is going to happen is that as the new responses of Google form is going to add in new rows, then automatically those rows detail will be sent to Pabbly Connect. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I need to create a new form submission by using Google Forms. So for that, I need to take you back to Google Forms, and here I'm going to preview this form. So here this is my job application form. So what I need to do is I need to fill this form with all the details. So here I'm going to fill this form with dummy details. So here my full name will be demo user. Now I need to give my email address. So my email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com. Now I'm going to give a contact number. So I'm going to give a random contact number of my candidate. And now here I need to first select the position that I'm applying for. So here I'm applying for PHP developer. So I'm going to select that. And now what I need to do is I need to upload my resume. So I'm going to click on this add file button. I'm going to click on browse. And here this is my resume. So I'm going to map this. So here I have uploaded my resume. Now what I need to do is I need to give an expected salary. So my expected salary will be 4.5 LPA. And now what I need to do is I need to select this option of if I'm legally authorized to work in this country. So I'm going to click on yes. And now I have filled the job application form. So I'm going to click on submit. And I have successfully submitted this form. Now I have submitted this form. So I need to take you back to my Google Sheet. And here in my Google Sheet, we can see I have added this new row. So in my new row, I have all the detail of my candidate that has just filled my job application form. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have also received this response. So in this response, I have my expected salary, that is 4.5 LPA. I have my trigger column, that is column H. I have my spreadsheet name, that is job application form responses. Also here I have my position applying for, that is PHP developer. I have the full name, that is demo user. Email is demoUser@pabblytudes.com, and I have the random phone number. So here we can see that I have received all these details of my form submission, and this is the form submission of the job application form that I have created in Google Forms. And now as I have received all these details here in Pabbly Connect, what I need to do is I need to automatically send a personalized confirmation email via Gmail to my candidate. So for sending the personalized confirmation email, what I need to do is I need to set up my action tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be Gmail. So I'm going to search for that, and I need to select Gmail here. Now I need to give an action event, so I'm going to open this tab, and here I'm going to use this option of send email v1. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to connect Gmail with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with Gmail. Now here what I need to do is I need to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here. And here I have successfully connected Gmail with Pabbly Connect. Now here what I need to do is I need to fill all these details, and here I need to first give my recipient email addresses where I want to send this email. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the email address of my candidate that I'm going to receive from my responsive Google form, and I'm going to map that here in this tab. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open this responsive Google Forms, and here this is the email address of my candidate, so I'm going to map this. Now here what I need to do is I need to give my sender name. So here in the sender name what I'm going to do is I'm going to give my company name, and you can give any sender name that you want. So here my sender name will be Green Glow. So this is my sender name. Now what I need to do is I need to give my email subject. So here my email subject will be thank you for your application to Green Glow. So this is going to be my email subject, and now what I need to do is I need to select my email content type. So here I have these two options, plain and HTML. So here I want to send my email content type as plain, so I'm going to select that, and here I need to give my email content. So here this is going to be my email content, and here I've created this personalized email for my candidate. So here what I need to do is I need to first clear this bracket, and here I need to map the name of my candidate. So for that I'm going to open this responsive Google Forms, and here this is the name of my candidate, so I'm going to map this. Now also here I have to give the position that my candidate is applying for. So I'm going to clear this bracket, and here I'm going to open this responsive Google Forms, and in this I have this position of PHP developer, so I'm going to map this, and here this is going to be my email. So here I have mapped all the required details, and in this actions tab I have mapped these details, and I have made these details dynamic. Now here as I have mapped these details, I have made these details dynamic. So what is going to happen is that as I'm going to receive a new response from my Google form for the job application, then automatically all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new form response details, and I'm going to receive the new details in the real time. So here I have filled all the required details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send As Together button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I send a personalized email automatically to my candidate. So here to check this, let me take you to Gmail. And in Gmail I'm on my send section, and here on send section we can see I have sent this email to demo user. So I'm going to open this. So here we can see I have sent this email, and the email subject is thank you for your application to Green Glow, and this email was sent by Green Glow. So this is the sender name, and it was sent to demo user. So this demo user was the name of my candidate who has applied for the PHP developer position in my company, and here I've created this personalized email for my candidate, and I've sent this email automatically via Gmail, and I've sent this personalized email to my candidate on successful job application form submission. So here as my candidate filled my job application form in Google Form, then automatically I've sent this personalized email to my candidate via Gmail. So here my connection between Google Form and Gmail is working successfully. And now as I'm going to receive a new form submission of a new job application from Google Form, then automatically I'm going to send a personalized confirmation email to my candidate. So here I've created this automation, and now automatically I'm sending personalized confirmation email to all my candidates for job application. So here my automation is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have created this connection between Google Forms and Gmail for sending personalized confirmation email on Google Form submission for job application. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Google Forms, and my trigger event was new response received. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Gmail, and my action event was send email v1. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.